Hi guys, so this is how you put together a gravity knife. I just 3D printed this, but first you just take your plate off and you do that. Excuse me. First and then you take that off. Ooh, that's hard to get off. Actually, turn back the machine back on. And you just this is hard to get off. Alright, so we got that off, and then the last screw. There we go. Alright, so put it together. First, you're gonna get this and this. You're gonna hold up. Oh gosh, this is hard. Alright, once you got that, you're gonna put your knife in like so. And put these in. And then, and then boom, there you go.